hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion.
Hi lovelies, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. It is time for yet another giveaway. As I've announced, there will be a giveaway every 5 days. So we've had one, and that was for a perfume. Today's giveaway is for a Christmas jumper. So stay tuned to the end of the video for instructions on how to enter the giveaway. All right, so it's a Sunday and I'm just prepping, and I'm noticing my tummy in this video. Jesus Christ, I need to go back to exercising, because what is this is destroying the dress. By the way, this dress is from SHEIN. I unboxed this recently on Instagram. I will be showing you slides of the other items that I also got from this haul. I'm putting on this color because I have a promotion to shoot right after I get back home from church, and this color just matches the theme for the brand. Let's get into today's video, and what I'm grateful for is the gift of creativity. I'll speak more about this towards the end of the vlog. I'm putting on these shoes. I got this as a present from my husband for my birthday, and I just absolutely love it. It's different from what I'm used to, but it matches this weather completely. You guys know that I'm a fan of waterproof items, because this UK weather is very merciless when it comes to how wet it can get and how muddy your feet can be. But wait, so are you guys also receiving this wind? Like, this wind has been something else that's been off the chains. It has been blowing left, right and center, to the point that it blew my doorbell off its handle. I had to go and get it the next morning. It was completely soaked. I'm not taking any chances. I'm just going to put on the thickest waterproof jacket that I have at the moment, and that's this one. I got this from Laura Girl last year. It was in Christmas or December collaboration, and it is... I'm so glad. I nearly changed my mind because I felt like it was too much, because I was already sweating under it in the house. But when I stepped out in this jacket, God, I knew I made the right decision, because it was so bad. I eventually had to pack up my hair because it was just getting in the way. Anyway, my bag is from Hazelluxury, and they are a one-to-one replica brand. They sent me this Herman Birkin bag, and I absolutely love it. This is by far my most expensive bag yet, because this bag originally retails for thousands and thousands of pounds, but on this particular site it is less than 1,000. So you might want to check them out. This is what the bag looks like. It comes with a couple of gold hardwares, and it is so secure. I mean, it takes you a minute and a half to get into the bag, but it's absolutely worth it. I love the structure of the bag. I love how the design is, and attention to detail. Not one thread is out of place, and this bag is so nice. I love that it's also waterproof. Well, not completely, but at least you can clean off the water in there, and it takes quite a few items. So anyway, details to this bag and where you can shop for the bag will be in the description box. They've also given my subscribers some amazing discounts, so check that out in the description, so you don't pay full price.
Ma, you guys, remember that firewood jollof I told you guys about? Yeah. See the culprits. Guilty as charged. So for your firewood jollof, your small chops, decorations, baby showers, decorations of every kind. Peterborough and its environs. Oh yeah, oh. Her number is on the screen. Just
call on me.
Hook her up. Oh yeah, oh. Bookings, left, right, and center. Hello. After church shenanigans. Where's Sister Wumi? Sister Wumi. Line the day, hold you one knee. Angel, the Agbára lighting light. Follow me. This is my light day. Hi guys. Remember that banana cake, guys? Remember that banana cake channel. Remember that banana cake? Yes. See, I'm acting all shit.
You look so nice. I love your jacket. Oh my god.
Guys, it's nice to see you.
Mommy's making a video. She's vlogging.
I'm making
Vlogmas Day.
Yo, it is where
it took forever to get home, because almost all the roads were closed because of the rain and the wind. It was just a mess. But I eventually got a cut into my cake and it was worth the wait. It was moist. It was delicious. I absolutely loved it. Alright, so going into our Christmas challenge, we're considering chapter 8 in today's vlog. And from verse 1 to 15, we get the parable of the sower where Jesus talks about some seeds falling on the pathway, some on the rocky ground, and some falling among thorns, and some finding good soil. And what that basically connotes is just the word and how it meets us, in what condition it meets our hearts. And obviously we know that the best one is to find good soil where we not only hear the word, we also act on it. From verse 16 to 18, we see Jesus teaching on the importance of not only hearing the word, but also acting on it, saying that those who hear his word and act on it will be blessed, and those who ignore it will lose even what they have. Verse 19 to 21 talks about where Jesus says that his true family members are those who not only hear his word, but do it. We also see where Jesus calmed the storm where he was on the boat with his disciples and the storm was raging, very much like the one I encountered this morning. Our Lord Jesus was fast asleep in a boat and the disciples had to wake him up and say, "Oga, we are dying here." Jesus commanded the wind to stop, and of course it did. Also from verse 26 to 39, we see where Jesus healed the demon-possessed man, that's the madman of Gadara. And then finally from verse 40 to 56, we see two healings take place. We see the woman with the issue of blood get healed. We also see Jairus' daughter get raised from the dead. How are you guys keeping up with your Christmas challenge? Are you guys finding it easy? Remember I said, if it's not easy for you to read the physical Bible, use the audio version or just tune into this vlog. Okay, now you guys remember I told you that it took us forever to get home. By the time I got home, I was completely drained. I was not in any mood to cook anything. I was just fatigued and completely spent. I wasn't even the one driving, but look at my face. I was thinking of what to say for this particular content I was about to create, and I was blank. I was not drawing any inspiration from anywhere. I was just looking for what to do, and then it occurred to me to just play some music, and that was what I did. I had to listen to that for like 5 minutes and my spirit was lifted. I had no inspiration at all, and it happens quite a few times. If I'm being honest, it happens more times than I care to admit. I feel so deflated. Just came back from church and this weather is making me moody. Like I don't know how to explain it. Anyway, you guys, remember what I said I was grateful for? Yes, the gift of creativity. This is back in South Africa, and this is probably the year 2020, and this was when I was just falling in love with creation, whether it was for videos or just tinkering. And I used to make these verses. I didn't have the money to buy these verses that I wanted for my house, so I said, why not, I'll make my own. And I just started DIYs in my house, and it just took off. Believe it or not, I used to sell these. I will make them up, and when people see them or come over to my house, they will want to buy it or order one for themselves, and I'll make them in different colors and I would sell it. So if you are also a mom and you're looking for something to do, either you are looking to sell these or just make your house beautiful, go ahead. Start from where you are, do what you can with what you have, and just watch it grow. So just in case anyone is wondering, these videos are already up on my channel. I can link them up in the cards for you to watch them later, or leave the links in the description box. So I didn't just make the pots, I make the flowers as well, and all of these are on my channel already. So just in case you guys haven't scrolled that far, these are the kind of contents that I started my channel with, and I don't know if I should bring them back. I have some DIY ideas that I want to do for this house that I'm currently living in, and I'm going to be implementing some of these ideas in, so you can play catch up with the old videos before I start rolling out new ones. Alright, so as promised, here is my haul from SHEIN. They sent me some amazing items, and this is just the haul of it. I shared this on Instagram a couple of days ago, and I just thought to bring it here for my YouTube family because you guys are my first love. Anyway, so my two shout outs today go to Glory Musa and Patience Ezemuzo. Thank you ladies for your engagement on the vlog so far. I see you guys. and you can just search using the search ID codes on the screen, or you can just click on the link in my description box. It will take you directly to each item. All right, so for the rules of the giveaway is quite similar to the first one. All you have to do is to be a UK resident. You have to be following me on Instagram and subscribe to this channel, and like we did the last time, just leave me a random number and you also get to qualify for this one. This one we will be drawing a live. I found my gotcha machine, so we will be drawing a raffle draw to see who the winner of this giveaway is. I think this white dress is my best from this haul. Let me know which one is your best in the description box. This was the item I wore in my last vlog. You guys must have seen that one already. Thank you all so much for your engagement and your love so far on Vlogmas. This is day 9 signing out. I'll see you in Vlogmas day 10.